Hello guys, today's tutorial is on how to make these bubu gown styles. These bubu gown styles, you'll be needing your fabric, tailor's chalk, tape rule and scissors. Fold your fabric into four as shown here. Mark your desired length. Mark 5 inches by 3 for the neckline. Mark 3 by 1 for the back neckline. Slope the shoulder by 1.5 inch as seen here. Mark shoulder to below the new line as seen here. Curve from the shoulder to below the knee line to form cowl effect. Then curve to the hemline as seen here. Cut it out, but make sure you cut the back neckline first. Set the back bodice aside and mark the star line for the front bodice. Cut out the star line and neckline as seen here. It should look like this when you open it up. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question. Please support me by subscribing to this channel, like as well as share my videos. Thank you.